For more information, please visit SGMAK Associates website.
Hi, I'm posting this small audio file just to show what kind of impact you can make when you repay a loan if you just make a little extra payment in addition to your regular payment, what you call EMI. So I'm building this around an example, which is a representative example. The problem statement is as follows. You have borrowed $500,000 at 6% annual percentage rate, compounded monthly. That means you'll be paying 0.5% per month interest. You'll be making monthly payment. Typically a mortgage payment is over 30 years, common plan. So you make 360 payments. So what you want to show through this simple example that based on your plan of 30-year, 0.5% per month, monthly payment to repay a $50,000 loan from a bank, your monthly payment is $500,000 multiplied by the capital recovery factor, as shown here. A over P is the capital recovery factor. Present in the denominator you have P, which is the present value, and the numerator you have A, which is the annuity. And what it does is, given a present value at interest rate and a length of the plan, you can find the annuity payment. So from bank's point of view, that's how bank recovers a capital loan to you through an annuity payment. Now in our problem, that factor, capital recovery factor, A over P, 0.5% per month, and 360 monthly payment. That's a table lookup. We'll talk about table lookup later in another short clip. So that factor from a table lookup comes out to be 0.006. So stated simply, $0.006 per month payment, 360 such payment will repay a $1 loan taken now at 0.5% interest, monthly interest. So your monthly payment for $500,000 loan is $3,000 per month. So your nominal payment based on your plan is $3,000 per month for next 30 years. That's your normal payment, and that will repay the loan in 30 years. Now let's look at the impact of extra payment. I have taken just two simple scenario where what if you make a 10% extra payment? So 10% of your nominal payment, which is $3,000, you said, okay, I'm going to add $300 more. So I'm going to make a payment of $33,300 per month instead of $3,000. What that does, we haven't shown the computation here. If you're interested, we can discuss that. It can be shown that 156 payments, which is roughly 13 years, will repay the loan just by paying extra 10%, which happens to be $300, extra $300 per month for this loan. Same if you go to 20% extra payment, as you expect. If you keep paying more, your repayment period will be shorter, which is advantageous because you'll be saving a lot of money on paying interest. So 20% extra payment if you do, which is $600 a month extra. So now you're paying $3,600 a month. Your payment comes out, your plan period comes out to be 12 years. 30-year plan reduces to 12-year plan if you're paying, instead of $3,000, $3,600 per month. And if you do 30% extra, so $900 per month, so now you're paying $3,900 per month. then you can repay the loan. Your loan rate still stays 0.5% per month on the remaining balance. That doesn't change. But now you can reduce it to 11 years only. So 10% extra payment reduces from 30 years to 13 years. 20% reduces from 30-year plan to 12 years plan, and 30% extra payment reduces from 30-year plan to 11-year plan. Now they will not hold for other amount, other interest rate, but what you want to show through this simple example, that which is kind of common sense, if I can say, that when you borrow money, car loan or house loan, there's a nominal payment plan that you enter with your bank. If you keep paying an extra amount, you can appreciably shorten the loan period by paying even a small amount. And how much you can pay extra is dependent on your affordability. We have shown just 3 simple examples just to make you aware of this advantage. Okay, so hopefully you'll find it useful. If you have any question, you can always get in touch with us. Okay, thank you. Bye now. Hi, we are posting materials online. If you have any doubts or any questions regarding the materials posted, feel free to get in touch with us through email. Provide your name, address, school name, your contact information. We also welcome if you provide comments so that things can be improved upon. We also appreciate if you provide any feedback. Okay, so let us know what do you think about the material posted. Okay, bye now.
For more information, please visit SGMAK Associates website. For more information, please visit SGMAK Associates website. For more information, please visit SGMAK Associates website.